Alright, on today's video, we're going to be unboxing this stud finder. We're going to test it out, and that's about it. We will be doing a review later on, but that comes out quite a bit later once we test this out to see how long it lasts, and so on. So right now, we're just going to see what comes inside the box. Plus, again, we're just going to do a quick test, show you guys how this works. So here it is. It's pretty basic. That's exactly what I wanted. It does come with battery right here. I'm not a fan when they come with these, or it requires these type of batteries, but that's okay. All right, then we've got our manuals, plus inside the box, we've got this little pouch for it, which is actually good. It's actually really good. Let's see how it fits there. Yeah, there we go. So this will protect it somewhat. Now, as I mentioned, it does come with this. So it quickly shows you how this works, and it's pretty good the way that it shows you. It's all by pictures, so it's a good manual, quick manual. All I'm gonna show you right now how it works, so you guys don't have to go through all this. But that's the manual that you guys get with it, and I gotta say, it's one of those manuals that I'm actually surprised how well it's made. It's usually really bad manuals where you kind of don't even know what's going on in the manual or understand anything. This is pretty basic and easy. Apart from that, we get our safety instructions, which that's the type of manual that I'm used to. Here we go. And apart from that, we get a user manual. So we do get a nice lengthy one of those that nobody wants to read, but hey, so you guys don't have to. I will show you in this video how to use this. So once again, here it is. Here's the stud finder. What we're gonna do is place a battery inside. So the very first thing we have to do. Now this is so you guys can take out the battery. So this should be placed below, like so. And then what you guys are gonna do is just place the battery inside. Now the way it's telling us is that this part plus goes here. So that's gonna be on your right hand side. It's gonna go in like so. Here we go. You guys have to keep this here. So that way you guys can take it out easily later on. Once you have to just change it because the battery does run out. The sensor, this is just so you don't scratch up your walls basically. And to turn it on for the very first time, it's actually quite easy. Just touch that. That's it. You guys will notice there's two buttons right here. All right, so once you have it on, let's just get started. For most of you, you just want to start finder. So this is what, just press it like so. Usually right now, it's gonna tell us that it's in this mode, which means wood. If you want to change that up into something else, so right now it's wood. If you want to change it to metal or electricity, it would be this one. So that's this mode. And there you go. So now it only detect that and look for that. It's gonna tell us. So what you guys wanna do, we're gonna go with the stud finder. So we're gonna find wood. And I already know there's wood running through here because I already set this up from before. So I know there's a beam right here of wood. Well, a stud, I shouldn't say beam. And that's why I'm testing it out here, just to see if it's working fine. So we're gonna go slowly, actually slower than that, really. Here we go. Well, it got the center. So let's see if that matches up. That does actually match up. So if we keep going this way, nothing. Keep going this way very slowly. It's getting it, and center. So once we have our center, we will take our pencil and just mark right here. So that's why you guys see this dent right here. That's so you guys can just mark with a pencil right there. What's the middle? And before you put any nails down or anything, I always poke a small hole just to verify. But I know for a fact that this is the middle because I had this from before here. So I know there's something going on. So this works really well. Right now what I'm gonna do is just change it right here. So we're gonna find metal or electricity. So we're gonna go from here. And again, I know where it is, so we're gonna see if this works. Oh, it's detecting center. Yep, and that's right, because there it is. That's for my light, so I know there's a wire coming from here. That's why I detected this. Now, if we just turn this off and you turn it on for the very first time. Actually, I already showed you guys that, what happens when you turn it on for the very first time. So we're gonna go into wood mode and just gonna find my studs anywhere here. Yeah, and here's the second one. That's how you know where it is. We're gonna go here, and oh, it seems like it didn't work exactly the way it should right here. Well, it started to find one here, which would make sense, but it's missing the one here. There is one right here. So we're gonna go this way, and then just go slowly. I should go slower, by the way. So right now it actually detected this. So that does match up. And there's only one more thing I forgot to show you. You press this once, you press it twice, it will go to here. That's actually gonna show you if there's electricity running through. So, oh, it's getting it, yeah. Yeah, you can't really tell us the center, but it can tell us the percentage, so if we're getting closer to the wire or not. And that's pretty accurate because, again, that's my light over there. Now we're gonna check down here. And we're gonna do the exact same thing. It's getting some, but that's because the wire up here. So the wiring is definitely going up here and then upwards instead of downwards. Now I should also mention that if you just turn it on and you don't press anything, it's actually gonna tell you what's around here. So you're gonna see what it's detecting for. And there we go. So it's detecting everything at this point in time, basically. But anyways, those are the basics when it comes down to using this. If you guys have any questions, comments, you guys can write down in the comments area. Don't forget to subscribe and like. Thank you.